AI Beast. Hey there, welcome to my AI Beast review. In this video, we are going to reveal exactly what the strategy is that you'll be using as part of this product launch and the pros and cons of this approach. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I've been working from home doing internet marketing as a full-time income for over 10 years now. So I've seen lots of these different product launches come and go. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you check out AI Beast reviews. Also, if you want to discover my #1 system for generating a realistic income online, then click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that #1 recommended online system. So with AI Beast, basically the business model is to sell freelancing services on websites such as Fiverr.com and Upwork.com, but they teach you how to do this without actually doing the work yourself. So you could put a freelance writing gig or a graphic design gig or a video editing gig, for example, on the Fiverr.com website or Upwork.com, one of these freelancing sites, but you don't actually have to fulfill the work when the order comes in. What you can do is you can hire another freelancer who offers the service at a cheaper price than you're charging, maybe from another website, or maybe you've hired an ongoing freelancer almost on a payroll that you can just get them to do the work on an hourly basis for a much less money than you would charge on Fiverr, and then you pocket the difference. So it's kind of like an arbitrage between what you charge for your service on Fiverr and what you charge someone else you hire to actually complete the task. So it's quite a clever approach for doing freelancing, but without actually fulfilling the work yourself. Also, they teach you how to use AI to complete some of these tasks as well. So instead of actually having to hire a freelancer to do your gig, whatever that may be, maybe it's creating a logo or creating graphics or creating sales copy for a website. Instead of hiring someone to do that, you could do that using AI and AI tools, and they will show you exactly how to do that. So that would be a really cool way and a quick way to complete a task that you can charge as though you were doing it manually for a much higher price, but you can quickly do it in a couple of minutes using AI. And so that's another way to be more efficient with the sort of tasks that still garner quite high prices on these freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com and Upwork, even though AI is still very popular nowadays. I think I prefer the approach where you're hiring someone compared to using AI, because a lot of the time your customers would want you to make edits and tweaks, and if you're just using AI to create it, you probably don't have the expertise or knowledge to manually make those tweaks yourself, and it's hard to edit what AI gives you unless you're used to editing with some sort of graphics editor and making the changes yourself. If you hire someone, you can just send the tweaks back to the freelancer you hired, and then they can do it themselves because they've got the expertise in graphics design and making the edits. So that's my only skepticism of the type of AI arbitrage services, is you're going to struggle to make customizations and tweaks when your client isn't 100% happy with the first draft. But AI Beast is quite cool because it's a training product. They don't give you a software tool necessarily to use. You're being taught with step-by-step training videos how to use software and AI tools that already exist to do it, and you're taught how to hire people to do it yourself. So this is more of a training-based program than a software tool, which makes a refreshing change. Much product launches focus on giving you some hypey software tool, and they all just do the same sort of AI stuff. This one's more focused on training on how to use tools that already exist rather than giving you the software. So you really understand the overall business model. And they really deep dive into things like how to create your Fiverr profile, how to rank that profile in the search engines, how to get traffic and views on your gigs, and just really understand the overall business model. What is missing in a lot of these AI tool suite launches is they give you tools to create graphics or text, but unless you know what you're doing, you're not really going to understand what to do with that. So AI Beast makes you properly understand the overall game plan and business model behind freelancing, how to get clients, how to upsell them, keep them on board, how to fulfill the orders, how to market your business, so you properly understand everything that needs to go into being successful on freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork, and using arbitrage to complete the services rather than manually doing the work yourself. So quite a cool approach with AI Beast. For me, what I personally prefer to do is affiliate marketing. So I'm not manually doing tasks for people, because that's almost like almost having a job, even if you're using AI to do the tasks. I prefer the more hands-off automated approach of traffic generation, getting clicks to proven offers. So that's more of an automated affiliate marketing approach. If you want to discover my number one system for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and that's a really excellent way to get traffic and get those consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. Thanks for checking out my AI Beast review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.